on another video of how many nice cars can we see here. We are at the Fullerton Market. I'm guessing this is where all the ballers hang out, because we just seen a couple of Lambos. Oh, here, we didn't actually go see them. But I was just chilling here for a second, and all these cars are like, okay, well maybe not these, but watch, you'll see. Let me show you guys. This is like a club where everybody's balling out of control. Gotta throw this away anyways. Watch. Look at these cars. On some Transformer rides right here. Oh. Well, where there's money, there's honey. Look at this car though. Woohoo! Bentley? Not the Bentley. Jeez. And then just Teslas, all types of other cars. Oh, look at that one. I don't know what that is, but it looks nice. But this is my favorite right here. So this is our adventures here at Fullerton Market. But it's raining, so we got to get under this thingamajigger. There you go. Now we are protected. But it is 80 degrees and the weather just feels beautiful. I've worked 120 hours in 2 weeks. Something like that. I think so. Thank God. Hey, it's not that I have to work, it's I get to work, shorty, and I get to get paid good. I remember when I used to get paid very poquito, I mean little, for you no sabo kids. Pero gracias a Dios, I mean thanks to God, we get paid good now. Está lloviendo. That means it's raining. Llueve. Oh, God. I hope they're not having the nasty time in there, because I'm stuck. I want to clear it up for you guys so you guys can see. Oh, this is very awkward. I hope they're not getting shaggy in there. I just want to get a video that's nice. Look at this. Wow. I love the rain. It don't bother me none. It's like 80-something degrees. It's a little wet. At least your shoes get clean. Boop. Got the Irachis, Hibachis, Atachis, the Arachis. No game. Look, put your hand, it gets soaked in a second. Oh wow, it's gonna be heavy rain. Oh, you got that heavy rain. Alright. Oh man, the worst part about this is that my windows are open. Yeah. The good part about it, they're not much. See, there's a good part from that part. Everything. Alright. This is how you gotta hop in your Uber. You gotta run in your Uber.